Okay, so this is week 3, Tuesday, quarter 4 math science. Will be on triangles, inequalities, and hinge theorem. And this is the 11th assignment for page 8, I guess. All right, so no, go away. So looking at this right here, refer to each figure given an inequality related to the given pair of angles or segment measures. So remember when I told you, if you have an angle, this is an angle, yes? Angle A. The segment or the side is going to be opposite of that angle. Does that make sense? If you are given a side or a segment, the angle is going to be opposite of that side, right? That's what we talked about, correct?
Yes.
All right, so let's take a look over here. So for angle 1 and angle 2, here's angle 1, angle 2. Opposite of side, measurement angle 1 is, well, we don't actually know yet. So we're just say, let's do it this way. Okay, do you see the side right here? So you could say BC, segment BC, which is 10, is greater than segment CD, which is 7, right? So angle, measurement angle 1 is greater, make sure you put the greater, like bigger, than measurement angle 2. Is that what you have?
Yeah.
Okay. You might want to also put down something like this. So that way you have that. All right. So for 2, there's the angle. Here are the sides. Do you see that? Okay. So here I can see that side EF is 8, which is greater than side FG, which is 7. So then I can say measurement angle 1, which is angle EHF, correct? Well, I don't understand. Why is there a 1 and why is there a 2?
I don't know.
Okay. Is greater than measurement angle 2, which is angles FG, or hold on, EHF, which is angles GHF. Okay, segment XB. So XB is right here, EB is right there. Here are your angles, right?
Mhm.
So you can say that since measurement angle X, Y, B is 24 degrees, right? Which is less than measurement angle, what is it? Z, Y, B. You need to do that on your own. You understand? Do that. Use all of the information. Don't just be lazy and just write the bare minimum. 26 degrees. You could say since, then end with the segment. This is what you want to end with, right? Then XB is less than ZY. Make sure you write the segment with the segment symbols on top. That's how you do proofs. I'm going to take for number 4. So for number 4, this is what you want to end with, right? at the segment. This is what you want to end with. But looking at the segment right here, you want to highlight it. So HJ, side HJ. So this is what you, or not that one, this one. That's the hypotenuse, right? KP, right? That's what you want to end with. But before you end with that, you got to do sin, blah, blah, blah is blah, blah, blah. And most likely it's the angle because you want to end with a sign, right? So you start with the angle. So you can say since. Opposite of this is a 90-degree angle. Do you see that?
Mhm.
Opposite of this is 85. Since angle PLK is 85 degrees, right? Is less than angle HGJ, which is 90 degrees, right? Then you could say the side HJ, which is opposite of 90, or I'm sorry, hold on. Nope, not that side. 85 is over here. PK, side PK is less than HJ. Does that make sense? Do you see that? I'm gonna pause it so you can try it again on your own.